Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. Today, I'm going to be trying out some orange chicken. I live in the desert, and I don't have many options for Chinese food. I love Chinese food, especially orange chicken. It is my absolute favorite. So today, I'm going to be trying out the Great Value brand from Walmart that comes in a kit. So let's put it together and see how it turns out. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. For today's quick and easy meals, I'm going to try this Great Value orange chicken. I've never tried this before, but I'm going to make this tonight and we'll see how it turns out. I'm also going to try this 10-minute success rice. This comes in a boiling bag, and I thought I would give this a try to go with the orange chicken. I like to make things from scratch, but if I'm ever in a hurry, I thought I would try these two things together. We'll need a large pan with oil for the chicken and a smaller pan with water to boil the rice. Okay, we have about 4 cups of water in this pan, and we're going to submerge the rice right in there in the water. The directions tell us to boil this uncovered for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once that happens, we remove the bag from the water with a fork and drain. Then we cut open the top and it's ready to serve. This chicken comes with a sauce packet, and the instructions tell us to thaw it in some warm water in the sink. Following the directions, we're going to put 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil in our pan, and then we'll get this heating up for the chicken. This chicken could also be made in an air fryer, in the oven, or in the microwave. But since I've already got rice cooking on the stovetop, I'll just go ahead and cook mine on the stovetop. We're going to pour the chicken in, and we'll leave it on medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you stir the chicken around so that it all gets even heating time. Sometimes I like to keep a quick and easy meal on hand in case I forget to thaw something and we come home after church, or we have a really busy day and it's a weekend and we really need to cook something quick that we don't have to worry about thawing first. This chicken meal should be really good. I'm so anxious to try it. I'm sure if you'd like, you could also add some vegetables to this recipe, to this wonderful orange chicken. Depending on how many people you have, it would also make this recipe go much, much further. I've just lifted the bag of rice out of the pan. I'm going to set it in this colander to let it drain. It's pretty wet. I went ahead and portioned out the rice for my husband and I. The rice doesn't seem that light and fluffy, and the time that it takes to cook the chicken, you could easily make homemade rice. The chicken is nice and hot, and it's been cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the sauce in. I put it in a bowl so the bag doesn't spill. Now we just stir the chicken into the sauce, and I have it down on medium-low, and then we'll just let the sauce start to simmer. We'll let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it starts thickening up and sticking to the outside of the chicken. It only took just a few minutes of simmering till the sauce thickened up and coated the chicken nicely, and now we'll portion it up onto the plates. And here's how the wonderful orange chicken Great Value turned out, and the success rice. I've tried this chicken and it is absolutely delicious. I am so happy with the way this orange chicken turned out. It is absolutely delicious, and my husband loved it as well. It was so easy to put together, and I'm really glad I gave it a try. I hope you give it a try too if you love orange chicken as much as I do. And don't forget to check out all of these channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.